Okay, I'm going to show you how you can register and purchase tickets for a program on our new Hill Center ticketing system. You have two options once you get to the page for the event you'd like to purchase tickets for. You can hit this blue register here button and it will just pop you down, or you can just scroll down the page until you get to this tickets section. What you're going to go ahead and do is use these up or down arrows to choose the number of tickets that you'd like to purchase for the event. You'll see right here, it tells you the number of seats that are still available for the event. That's particularly important as the events start to sell out. You'll see how many are left. When you're done, go ahead and just hit Add to Cart. Next, it's going to take you to the cart once you've done that, and you can see the tickets have been successfully added. Right here, if you've say added 2 tickets, but you wanted to add, a few more, you can either add more right here or just adjust down right here based on your needs. Just hit that blue update cart button once you've completed that, or ignore this step if you actually just added the right number of tickets in the first place. If you have a discount code, which we do for some events, you can go ahead and put that in right here, hit apply, and it will then adjust the cost accordingly. You have 2 options now. You can either keep shopping and go and add to your cart other tickets to other events. You can do that by hitting the blue Keep Shopping button, or you can go up here to the Programs tab, click that, and it'll take you back to our program calendar. This is particularly helpful, I think, for people who want to purchase tickets to more than one event at the same time, whether it be cooking classes or lectures. This is a great new feature we're pretty excited about. But for this demo, I'm just going to buy tickets for this one event. So I'm going to go to Proceed to Checkout. Next is going to take you to our accessibility page. Right here, if you have any accommodations that you need, say a large print brochure or ASL services or anything like that, feel free to type that in for the attendee and then hit Save Attendee Info. If you don't have any needs, you can feel free to leave it blank. Just hit Save Attendee Info and then scroll down and hit Checkout. Next, you can type in your name and billing information. The ones with the red stars are required. You can feel free to fill in your address, your city, put in your zip code. Here, we collect that both for billing purposes, but also it helps us identify where people are coming from. That's particularly important information to the people that fund us, because we are a 501c3 nonprofit. It'd be great if you'd put your phone number in. Sometimes we have last minute changes to the schedule because a speaker needs to reschedule or somebody gets sick and there's cancellations. So I know a lot of people put in sort of a generic email address, and we'll try to email you there too, but sometimes phone works really well. So I will put my phone number in. And then go ahead and put in your email address. And this is the email address where your tickets are going to be emailed to. Let us know where you heard about the event. A new feature is we are, as I mentioned before, a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and we do take donations. You are more than welcome to go ahead and make a donation to Hill Center through this system. It will help us fund free programs, scholarships, and also preserve the historic Old Naval Hospital in which Hill Center resides. And we really always appreciate those, but they are, like I said, entirely optional. If you'd like to create one centralized account where you can always go back and log into, find your tickets, store your credit card information for very securely in order to have an expedited checkout, go ahead and hit Create Account. It's just going to ask you for a password, and then you can create that password and move on to the next step. So you start with 30 minutes. It's taken us about 3 minutes to go through and talk this through. Now you have 2 checkout options, but before I get to that, if you have a gift certificate that somebody has given to you, click down here and put in the discount code and hit apply. If you have a gift certificate from our old system called Instant Seats, it will say that across the top. We can't process that on the system right now. go ahead and give us a call at the number down here, or email programs@hillcenterdc.org, and we'll get you signed up, no problem. So back to checking out, you have two options under the system. You can do your standard credit card or debit card by just typing in the number here, expiration date, and that security code on the back of your card. Like I said, you can save that credit card information securely to the account. Or new is you can process it with PayPal. If you process it with PayPal, all you're going to do is hit that you've agreed to our terms and conditions. We'd love it if you'd sign up for our mailing list if you're not a member of our mailing list. That will help us let you know when we have new programs. And then click Proceed to PayPal. It's going to take you over to the PayPal website where you'll sign into your PayPal account and process the transaction through there. It'll check you out on PayPal, and then you can hit Return to Merchant, and it will take you back to our website. Super easy and great because you don't have to type in your credit card information because it's all there, and it makes it a lot easier. But if you want to type in your credit card information, type all of it in here, sign up for our mailing list, and then hit Place Order, and then you're done. You'll get an email that has your tickets in it. If you made a donation, you'll get an email about that donation that serves as your receipt. And it's really as easy as that. If you have any questions or run into any additional roadblocks or anything like that, there's a step-by-step instructions on our website, but also feel free to just give us a call. We're happy to help you anytime. Our number is 202-549-4172. Thanks, and we hope to see you soon.